Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. Within today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make a mind map in Copilot notebooks. So to create a mind maps in Copilot notebooks, you will need to explore your notebook's contents and see how the key themes, the concepts or topics connect visually throughout an interactive mind map. Copilot will generate a map of key topics and relationships from your notebook, helping you understand how information fits together at a glance. So, how do we create this map? First of all, open an existing Copilot notebook in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app or OneNote and go to Create, which is literally through here, and just go here and click on Create. So, you literally have to do this. Then select Mind Map from the Quick Create with Copilot options. So, it can be this one here, the second option, under Audio Overview. The mind map will generate automatically for you. Navigate the mind map as you can see, and this is how it should look like. You can expand and collapse. Click the number on any node to expand its branches. So here you'll find the branches like 3, 4, 5. So this one has 3 branches. This one has also 3. This one 4. This one 5. So you can click on every node of these, and you will have the branches of it. And you can get more details on the topic, like click any node to see a summary. Select explain to get a deeper breakdown of the topic in Copilot chat pan, and continue chatting with Copilot to learn more and ask follow-up questions about the node. Copilot will reference content in your notebook to generate responses as you will be seeing right here. So this is the summary, and you can ask for even more explanation as you will be seeing. You can export mind maps. Use the export option to save the mind map as a PNG. The export takes a screen captures to expand or collapse node before exporting to get the view you want. And that's pretty much it for today's video guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.